Ever wondered about the health benefits of beetroot? Well, this vibrant earthy root vegetable is more than just a pretty face. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a host of benefits that could potentially improve your health in ways you might never have imagined. From bolstering your immunity to supporting liver health to even helping slow down dementia and much more. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we delve into the world of beetroot and its myriad of health benefits. Before we explore the benefits, it's important to understand what beetroot is. Beetroot, also known as Beta vulgaris, is a root vegetable that's recognized for its deep, passionate red-purple color. Originating from the coastal regions of Europe, beetroot has been cultivated for its medicinal and dietary benefits since ancient times. Nowadays, beetroot is embraced worldwide, not only for its vibrant aesthetic appeal, but also for its versatility in the culinary world. From salads to smoothies, pickles to pastries, beetroot has found its way into a variety of dishes, adding a unique blend of earthy sweetness and rich texture. Beyond its culinary uses, beetroot has gained a reputation in the health and wellness sector. This is largely due to its impressive nutritional profile packed with vitamins, minerals, and potent antioxidants. Now that we have a basic understanding of what beetroot is, we can explore its health benefits. Before we continue, we have an amazing secret product that we have to share with our viewers. Did you hear about the unusual rice method that liquefies fat cells as you sleep? Yes, you heard me right. Clinical studies confirm just 30 seconds of this simple rice technique boosts calorie burning and fat dissolving by over 326%. That's more calories than 45 minutes of running. If you are interested, please click the link below to reveal the secret plant you never knew. Or you can visit our website for more information. Alright, let's continue. Drinking beetroot juice can provide a plethora of health benefits. Beetroot juice is a nutritional goldmine that offers numerous health benefits. It's like nature's own performance-enhancing supplement, packed with minerals, vitamins, and potent antioxidants. One of the most notable benefits of beetroot juice is its potential to lower blood pressure. This humble root vegetable is rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that dilates blood vessels, promoting better blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Similarly, this nitrate-rich juice can improve stamina and exercise performance. It seems beetroot juice could be the secret weapon for athletes and gym-goers alike, as the nitrates facilitate better oxygen flow to the muscles, enhancing endurance and reducing fatigue. For those with heart failure, beetroot juice may enhance muscle power. Studies suggest that the nitrates help improve the efficiency of mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells, potentially leading to stronger, more powerful muscles. The benefits of beetroot juice extend beyond the heart and muscles. The juice may slow down the progression of dementia by improving brain blood flow, supporting cognitive health. Its high antioxidant content, particularly betalains, may protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially slowing cognitive decline. Moreover, beetroot juice supports liver health. It contains betaine, a compound that helps the liver eliminate toxins, while the antioxidants protect the liver from oxidative damage. The juice may also lower bad cholesterol thanks to its fiber and flavonoid content, which promote heart health. Its rich antioxidant profile may have anti-cancer properties, while the betalains exhibit anti-inflammatory effects, possibly reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Beetroot juice may improve digestive health, protect the gut, and support brain health and reaction time. It can be a beneficial addition to a post-menopause diet and may even relieve symptoms of Raynaud's phenomenon. As you can see, beetroot juice is quite the powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. Beyond its health benefits, beetroot is also packed with essential nutrients. This vibrant ruby-hued root vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse, offering a host of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are vital for optimal health and well-being. Let's start with the basics. Beetroot is a great source of fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. It contains about 2 grams of dietary fiber per 100 grams, which is about 8% of your daily recommended intake. In terms of vitamins, beetroot shines brightly. It's packed with vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties, and vitamin B9, also known as folate, which is crucial for cell growth and metabolism. Moreover, it's a good source of vitamin A, contributing to eye health, and vitamin K, which plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. Now let's talk minerals. Beetroot is rich in essential minerals like potassium, which helps control blood pressure and supports heart health. It also provides magnesium, necessary for nerve function and muscle contraction. Plus, it's a good source of iron, a key component of red blood cells, and manganese, which aids in metabolism and bone development. But the nutritional benefits of beetroot don't stop there. This earthy vegetable is also a powerhouse of antioxidants. Beta-alanes, the pigments that give beetroot its vibrant color, are potent antioxidants. They help neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting the body against oxidative stress. This antioxidant property of beetroot contributes to its potential anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory effects. Additionally, beetroot is a natural source of nitrates, compounds that are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a molecule that dilates blood vessels, potentially lowering blood pressure and enhancing athletic performance. Finally, let's not forget about the beet leaves. Often overlooked, these greens are highly nutritious, offering even more fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K than the root. So, not only does beetroot provide numerous health benefits, but it also serves as a great source of many essential nutrients. This humble root vegetable is indeed a nutritional superstar, offering a wealth of nutrients in every bite. Despite all these benefits, you might be wondering if beetroot is safe for everyone. Let's delve into that. Beetroot, like many other foods, can indeed trigger certain side effects in some individuals. One of the most common, albeit harmless, effects is bituria, a condition where urine turns pink or red after consuming beetroot. This is due to the excretion of beta-alanes, the pigments that give beetroot its vibrant color. On a more serious note, beetroot is high in oxalates, substances that can form crystals in your body and lead to kidney stones. Therefore, if you have a history of kidney stones, it might be wise to limit your beetroot intake. Furthermore, beetroot is rich in nitrates, which can lower blood pressure. While this can be beneficial for many, it may cause problems for those with already low blood pressure or individuals taking blood pressure medication. The sudden drop in blood pressure can lead to dizziness or fainting. Also, due to its sugar content, people with diabetes should be mindful of their beetroot consumption. While it's not particularly high in sugar, it still counts towards your daily intake. Lastly, as with any food, there's always the potential for allergic reactions. Though rare, symptoms could include hives, itching, or swelling. While beetroot is generally safe for most people, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. So after all this, you might be asking, is beetroot really good for me? The simple answer is a resounding yes. Let's take a moment to jog our memory about all the fantastic benefits we've learned so far. First off, beetroot is a powerhouse of essential minerals. It's packed with magnesium, potassium, and iron, all of which are crucial for maintaining overall health. It's also a great source of fiber, contributing to healthy digestion and gut health. Next, the potential benefits of beetroot juice are quite impressive. It's been linked to improved stamina during exercise, increased muscle power, and even slowing down the progress of dementia. The juice is also known for its potential to lower bad cholesterol levels, and it's rich in protective antioxidants. Then there's the potential for beetroot to support liver health and its possible anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Not to mention, it may also help with immunity, lower blood pressure, and even reduce the risk of heart disease. Beyond these, beetroot may support brain health, improve reaction time, and could be a useful addition to a post-menopause diet. It may even relieve symptoms of Raynaud's phenomenon, a condition affecting blood vessels in the skin. But remember, while beetroot is generally safe for everyone, the key is moderation. Consuming it in excess may lead to side effects such as beet red urine and stools or temporary digestive discomfort. So, when we weigh the potential benefits against the minor side effects, it's clear that beetroot is indeed a beneficial addition to our diets. It's a superfood that provides a host of nutritional and health benefits. In conclusion, incorporating beetroot into your diet can provide numerous health and nutritional benefits. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking to improve your stamina or someone simply aiming for a healthier diet, beetroot is a versatile, nutrient-dense food that can contribute positively to your well-being. We've explored the many benefits of beetroot, but there's always more to learn. This humble root vegetable is packed with nutrients and antioxidants, potentially offering a boost to your immunity and heart health. Not to mention the possible benefits for stamina and muscle power. It's even been suggested to slow down dementia and support liver health. But as with any health journey, it's important to do your own research. Consider the evidence, consult with a healthcare professional, and listen to your body. Could beetroot juice be the next addition to your health routine? Could the leafy greens top your next salad? Remember, the potential benefits we've discussed today may vary based on individual health conditions and dietary needs. So it's crucial to understand your body's unique requirements before making any significant changes to your diet. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into the world of beetroot. If you're interested in more health-related content, consider subscribing to our channel. We aim to bring you the most informative and interesting health and wellness videos. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more people and share our love for healthy living. We also welcome your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Is there a specific health topic you want us to cover? Or perhaps you have a question about beetroot? We're here to engage with you. Thank you for watching. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay tuned for more.